Today we are at 12704 California Street in the city of Yucaipa. This is a completely redone on the inside 2-bed, 2-bath home. Excuse me, 2-bed, 1.5 bath, sorry about that. Walking in, you'll notice you do have a fully fenced front yard, security door here. You have new paint, new blinds, tile throughout for easy maintenance. Beautiful fireplace there. Nice bright living room here. Coming into the kitchen that's been redone, new countertops, new light fixtures and ceiling fan, new blinds and brand new appliances as well. New sink and faucet, new backsplash, new hardware added to the newly painted cabinets there. Gorgeous appliances, GE stove and fridge, pantry right there. And then you also have room in here for table and chairs. Just really nicely done. Coming out through this side door here, you do have your 1-car garage. Coming back inside, we'll walk over to the hallway, which does include brand new GE washer and dryer. And then the newly redone bathroom here, new vanity, new toilet, new vinyl flooring that went in. This is the considered master bedroom because you do have the ensuite half bath. Really good sized room. Closet there. And then half bath through here. Again, vinyl flooring, new vanity, new toilet here. And then this door also gives you access to your patio. Here, there is a unit behind you, but this patio here is all yours. Going back inside, we'll go take a look at the other bedroom. Again, great size, tile flooring. The second bedroom here, and then closet. And we just walked right by it, but you've got plenty of hall storage here for linens and towels and things. So again, 12704, this is California Street in the city of Yucaipa. Gorgeous 2-bed, 1.5 unit here, available now. Give us a call, 909-256-7005, or you can go online at truedoorinland.com. Thanks so much, guys.